Good morning, wild, wild world. It is Saturday, and I am out of pants. So I just am wearing shorts. Thankfully, it's only like, how cold? 43. Not bad at all. So, just on my way to breakfast and start off this long day of lots of homework.
You say things with your mouth, cobwebs and flies come out. I hear a second voice behind your tongue somehow. Luckily I can reach your mind, flies and cobwebs.
Reading books is no fun. The afternoon has eclipsed. Now on to dinner to find nourishment and food. Dinner is done, and I got some cookies. So good. I got one oatmeal raisin and one chocolate chip. Let me know down in the comments which one you prefer, oatmeal raisin or chocolate chip. So yeah, even during like the conversation of dinner, somehow the song, or somebody said Forever Young or whatever, to me that conjured up the song Forever Young by Alphaville. And then I had to play it, obviously, because, I don't know, if you haven't listened to that song, when Ben and I were younger, in like, I think it was 6th grade, we heard like Jay-Z's version of that song. And then we looked up Alphaville's version, which is the 80s one, and it is an extremely nostalgic song. It is so good, though. I love it. So now I'll probably be singing and listening to that the rest of the night. But onward back to the dorm. Got to do some laundry and get more homework done. Woohoo. How guys do their laundry in college. And then I just put it on cold for everything. I forgot I had all these snacks. Ready to go. There we go. Loads 1 and 2 in. Now let's hope the stain in these pants comes out. Boom. First load of laundry in the dryers. And a little bit of oh. That's all my laundry. Last of my laundry is in the dryers. Woo! Now to fold everything. Okay, so laundry is done. I've gotten everything. I've gotten like half the reading done for one of my things. And so now I'm gonna go and spend some time this evening relaxing. So we're gonna head out from this dorm room in 3, 2, 1, and... Okay, yeah, so I forgot to film that whenever I got there. So I'm on my way back to the dorm. Relax a little bit this evening. So, it's good. It is starting to rain though, but, you know, I have to make a decision whether I stay up, do homework, stay up, not do homework, or just go to bed. And not stay up like super late, but just a little bit later, because if I want to get a full 8 hours of sleep, I usually wake up at like 8:30-ish on Sunday mornings. So that means I'd have to go to bed in the next 30-some minutes, which is a tad bit quickly. I do not fall asleep that fast, but you know, that'll be it for today's vlog. I hope you all had a good day. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you're watching this, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Stay good.